Travelling with diabetes? Here's what you need to know about packing insulin for a flight. But first, how much should you take with you? You'll need to work out how much you normally use so that you can figure out how much to take. Once you know, bring double. Remember to leave enough time to order your prescription. Bring a letter from your doctor or endocrinologist with you for the flight. This details the medicines and devices you need to travel with. Organise travel insurance before you go. Pick a company with a 24-hour hotline in case you need advice when you're there. When packing for your flight, remember, bring it on your carry-on case and bring a Frio bag or insulation pack if you're going somewhere warm. Put it in a clear case so you're ready to go through security. Bring the packaging for your insulin. The strength varies in different countries, so this will help you in case you need to replace your insulin whilst you're there. If you're travelling with another person or more than one bag, split your insulin across the bags. That way you'll still have some if it gets lost. Once you've arrived, don't forget to relax and enjoy your holiday.